In today's competitive business landscape, generating leads is only half the battle. The real challenge lies in nurturing those leads and converting them into paying customers. This is where drip campaigns come into play. By strategically delivering a series of targeted messages over time, you can effectively nurture your leads and boost revenue. In this article, we will unlock the secrets of drip campaigns, providing you with practical tips on how to implement them successfully. Understanding the problem. Frustrated by lost opportunities. Imagine spending countless hours and resources on lead generation efforts, only to see those leads slip away without making a purchase. It's frustrating, disheartening even. Many businesses face this problem. They struggle to convert their hard-earned leads into sales because they lack an effective nurturing strategy. The rationale: maximizing lead potential for increased revenue. The good news is that implementing a well-crafted drip campaign can significantly improve your conversion rates and ultimately boost revenue. By consistently engaging with your prospects through personalized content delivered at strategic intervals, you can build trust, establish credibility, and guide them towards making a purchasing decision. What are drip campaigns? Drip campaigns are automated marketing campaigns that deliver pre-written emails or other forms of communication to prospects over time based on predetermined triggers or schedules. These campaigns allow you to stay top of mind with your leads while gently guiding them through each stage of the buyer's journey. Why drip campaigns work? Drip campaigns work because they leverage the power of consistency and personalization in nurturing relationships with potential customers. Consistency. By regularly reaching out to your prospects with valuable content tailored to their needs and interests, you reinforce your brand presence. Personalization. With advanced marketing automation tools available today, it has become easier than ever before to segment your leads and deliver highly personalized messages that resonate with them on an individual level. How to implement drip campaigns successfully. A. Define your goals. Before launching a drip campaign, clearly define what you want to achieve. Is it increasing sales, upselling existing customers, or simply educating prospects? Setting specific goals will help you design a more targeted and effective campaign. B. Segment your leads. Not all leads are created equal. Segmenting your leads based on criteria such as demographics, behavior, or previous interactions allows you to tailor your messaging accordingly and increase the chances of conversion. Craft compelling content. The success of your drip campaign hinges on the quality of your content. Create engaging emails that provide value to your prospects at each stage of their journey. Use storytelling techniques, share relevant industry insights, and offer exclusive promotions to keep them engaged. D. Set up triggers. Determine the triggers that will initiate each email in your drip campaign sequence, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, downloading a resource from your website, or abandoning their shopping cart. Ensure that each trigger is aligned with the goal of the campaign. E. Test and optimize. Continuously monitor the performance of your drip campaigns by tracking metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, center, and conversion rates. Use this data to make informed adjustments and optimize your campaigns for better results over time. Concrete takeaways. Increase lead-to-customer conversions by implementing targeted drip campaigns. Nurture relationships with personalized content delivered consistently over time. Leverage marketing automation tools for segmentation and personalization. Set clear goals before launching a drip campaign. Craft compelling content that provides value at every stage. Monitor metrics regularly to optimize performance. In conclusion, unlocking the secrets of successful drip campaigns can be transformative for businesses looking to nurture their leads effectively while boosting revenue simultaneously. By understanding the problem faced by many businesses, lost opportunities due to a lack of nurturing strategies, and implementing drip campaigns strategically, you can maximize the potential of your leads and guide them towards becoming loyal customers. Remember, consistency, personalization, and optimization are key to unlocking the full potential of drip campaigns in today's competitive marketplace.